I am behind schedule, big time, but I'm here and I'm ready to give you guys a good ass St. Patrick's cocktail. Before that though, you need to know I have just gotten Invisalign about 5 days ago. I got all kinds of bands in my mouth. I got trays, I got burns. I got all kinds of burns. You don't even know the half of it. But despite all of that, I am here to give you guys a good ass cocktail because the show must go on. We're cutting it close with St. Patty's. I feel like it's, as of right now, it is Saturday and maybe by the time it goes up, it'll be St. Patrick's Day. I don't know. But today, we're looking at how to make a Melon Jameson Smash. Let's go! Let's take a look at what we're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want Jameson whiskey, melon liqueur, lime juice, ginger syrup, and today's glass of choice, a low ball. Man, I'm hype as right now. God, I miss filming. Shit! Having plastic in my mouth as I try to candidly present this whole cocktail is nuts. You're gonna like this cocktail though. It's all kinds of different. All kinds. First, we're gonna get some ice in our shaker. And as always, we're using this Ziploc bag because we're making cocktails at home. Now, it's time to freak out with your ingredients. First, you're gonna want 2 ounces of your Jameson whiskey. After this, we're gonna pour in 1 1/4 ounce of our melon liqueur. Smell of melon. It's rich, I love it. Next, we're gonna go with 1 whole ounce of lime juice. And then after that, 1/2 ounce of your ginger syrup. But wait, there's more. We're adding even more flavor by dropping in 2 basil leaves to our shaker.
Oh, that's hot.
Now let's get this guy sealed up and shake off some demons. It might be too early for this, to be honest. I'm pretty sure at this point I might get evicted. I am certain. Now let's get this lowball glass blessed up with some ice. Now let's go ahead and double strain our mix. We're not done just yet though. We're gonna add in club soda to top off our mix. Gorgeous. Now lastly, we're gonna drop in our garnish, which is a little bundle of creativity. So I created a green pot that has clovers inside of them essentially. So it's a jar of clovers to bring in the St. Patrick's year. Essentially what it really is lime peels wrapped around cilantro leaves. The cilantro was the closest thing to a clover I could come up with, but honestly, I really like the way it looks. It has a very earthy look to it. You know, it screams festivity. And just like that, our Melon Jameson Smash is complete. Now, it's time for our taste rating to suggest what we're dealing with. Now, by rights, I shouldn't be doing this. Like, realistically, I should take my trays out first and then indulge, but I'm using a straw to safely consume this drink. And I know my dentist is watching this. I'm doing this the right way. You told me I can drink with a straw. I see you. So let's give this guy a nice stir to mix everything together. I really love the green that this came out with. Like, it's not too deep, it's not too light, it's just the perfect in-between. Ooh! Yo, hold on now, hold on. I didn't even need to finish it. The first drip of this cocktail, this is Sexy Incarnate. Sexy Incarnate, I don't give a shit what everyone else is making for St. Patrick's Day. You need to try this drink. This is what I'm talking about. But don't take my word for it. You take the sip and love life. You know the drill. You like my content, you like the videos I'm pumping out, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you for my next cocktail. When that's gonna be, I think now that I'm used to my Invisalign, I can pretty much pump it out at the usual time, so maybe another 4 days from now, I'll have a new video up. Unfortunately, I wanted to have more green drinks for this season, but I came in too late and St. Patty's is tomorrow, and it wouldn't make any sense to do any more green. But the next cocktail should be a little fun, a little different. Expect it. It's gonna be real good, and hopefully I'm fully healed, all these burns off my friggin' face. You better be there. I better see you there, and you better be there thirsty. I'll see you for the next video. Drink responsibly, enjoy your St. Patty's Day. Live green, love green, and love life. I'll see you there.